Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones REALME T310. And before we're starting, I want to show you that I customize gestures. I change a double press for the right one, for the right earbud, then triple press also I'm change it, and I'm change for the left one press and hold. Because I think it's much better than what it have by default. So let's starting. You can play and pause the song by pressing 2 times on your left earbud. 1, 2, and I pause the song. 1, 2, and I play a song. Now to play next track, you should press 2 times on your right earbud. 1, 2. Here we go. To increase the volume, you should press 3 times on your right earbud. 1, 2, 3. And I increase it, and to lower it 3 times on your left earbud. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. And I lower it. 1, 2, 3. And I lower it again. If you press and hold on your left earbud, you will call your assistant. I have iOS, so I call it Siri, but if you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So just press and hold. Now release your finger. Okay, one more time, press and hold, and now release it. Maybe I make something wrong. Press and hold. And as you can see, Siri is awake. And if you press and hold on your right earbud, you will swap between noise cancellation and transparency mode. So right now I have enabled noise cancellation, and if I press and hold, I will swap to transparency mode. Here we go, and if I press and hold again, I will swap to noise cancellation. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.